Making money online is very easy, but for some people they thought it's very difficult to make $1,000 on YouTube or on any other social network. In this video I'm going to give you some tips on how to go about it if you are new on the internet. And welcome to today's video. In today's video I'm going to teach you how you can make $15 to $20 from Bible content. If you are new on this channel, please do well to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much as we dive into the main business of today. Making money online is very easy, but for some people they thought it's very difficult to make $1,000 on YouTube or on any other social network. In this video I'm going to give you some tips on how to go about it if you are new on the internet, and if you are new as a creator. I'm going to also teach you how you can get monetized quickly in the interval of 2 to 3 months, and I'm going to share with you some of the strategies you use so that you can grow fast on any social handle you are using. I don't know where you're watching me from, either on Facebook or on YouTube or Instagram, but I'm going to share with you how you can succeed very fast as a creator. So another way of earning online is what we call affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is just a process by which, a way by which you sell other people's products without touching them, without even seeing them. Like, you link customers to the producer or to the distributors of those goods. For instance, if I have a gold in my hand and I'm about to sell it, maybe I'm a gold vendor, I have a gold vendor that I'm selling gold, and you are affiliating with me, like you are selling for me without you getting in touch with me one-on-one personally. You can as well post my own products. Anybody that buys through you, you get a commission from me. That's what we call affiliate marketing. So for instance, if we agree that on every product you sell from me, I'm going to give you a $1.54 for every product you sell from me. For instance, if you sell 5 products a day for me, this is just an assumption, you can sell more than that. If you sell 5 products for me in a day, $1.55 times 5, you calculate it yourself, you see that day you get up to about $7 to $8 per day. So if you do this continually, maybe from the day one, from the beginning of the month till the end of the month, you will realize that you come up with something. If you're having $7 a day or $7 and something cents a day times 30 days in a month, this should be approximately a close to $100 or more than that in a month. So which job in Nigeria is going to pay you up to that amount without much qualification and without much job experience? They'll be asking you, they need a 5 years experience, they need a 10 years experience, they need a master degree holder, and some of them, to be frank, they don't even have a BS in their hand, but they want someone that have 5 to 15 years experience as a manager to handle their business for them. So I would like to encourage you all that are watching this video to try as much as possible to do something online. There are so many jobs online. You can also as well learn how to sell book on Amazon. You can also sell Amazon products. You can also do affiliate marketing with Alibaba, AliExpress and DHgate. All those companies are companies that pays you in dollar if you really want to earn in dollars. So affiliating with them is a very nice business idea, which I will like all Nigerians, everybody watching me to be part of it.